Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out your channel and user ID on the youtube.com application or website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that you should scroll down on this left side column of the screen and tap on the button settings. Then you should tap on the View Advanced Settings section in the Your YouTube channel section. And here you can check out, first of all, your user ID that you can see here. And if you want to copy, you can tap on this copy button next to it. And as you can see down below, it says ID copied to clipboard. If you want to, you can also do the same with your channel ID. So here you can see it and you can copy it by tapping on the copy button. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.